This is the box that received the Simpson tire mount in. This is the male part of the receiver. Remove the keeper pin, set it aside. This is threaded in order to keep this from rattling on the receiver of your motorhome. You remove your bolt. You insert it into the receiver on the motorhome. Line your pin up. Then you tighten this down. The torque specifications are right in the instruction manual. Once you have your bolt tightened down, this is what keeps it from rattling on the back of the motorhome. You insert the safety clip, and you have this part finished. Remove this bolt. This is the fulcrum bolt that allows you to pivot both ways. Set this to the side. Then you insert your receiver. Just loosely put the bolt on the back. And this is the pin for holding your receiver up. You just raise it, thread it in the back. And this is the safety key, safety pin. All the bolts on here are nylock bolts. Torque specifications for this are 100 pounds, and it's 100 pounds here. Once you have this mounted, torqued down, you remove your bolts here, lay it to the side, on the back of your motorhome, roll your spare tire up, mount your bolts through the spare tire. Once you get this bolt snug, raise it up by inserting your rod. And tighten down your pivot bolt. Key it. By raising this up, it centers the tire on your mount bracket for your lug nut hole. Always tighten this first, then the other three. This keeps it from rattling. It's as simple as that to install.